The capital of South Korea, Seoul. About 20% of the country's population live in Seoul, and more than 10 million tourists visit Seoul annually. As a massive city, Seoul stands as the heart of the nation. Seoul boasts over 600 years of history, holding many captivating stories through its numerous changes from the Joseon dynasty to modern times. When discussing Seoul's modern development, we can't miss out the story about Miracle on the Han River. Seoul's development is closely related to the Han River. The Han River, which means Great River, became a symbol of the city's growth and prospering economy. How did Seoul's success story begin? Starting from the Han River. After being devastated by the Korean War, Seoul astonished the world with its rapid development within just a few decades. In the 1960s, South Korea's government promoted industrialization and urbanization through the 5-year economic development plans. During this time, large industrial facilities and infrastructure were built along the Han River, transforming Seoul into an economic hub. Gangnam was once rural land south of the Han River, but government plans led to its rapid development. High-rise buildings and apartments transformed it into an economic center, with Tehran Row becoming a hub for finance and IT. The construction of large complexes like COEX further boosted Seoul's commercial energy. Seoul's development wouldn't be complete without mentioning the revolution of its public transportation system. Today, the city's subway system is considered one of the best in the world and is continuously improving. The Subway Line 1 was first launched in 1974, opening the new era of Seoul's modern public transportation. The fast and affordable subway made the daily lives of Seoul's citizens more convenient. Notably, the free transfer system between buses and subways, introduced in 2004, made transportation more efficient and economical. Seoul's subway system has continuously improved with innovations like convenient transportation cards, free transfers between subway lines, and free Wi-Fi. These advancements made Seoul a global model for a livable city. Thanks to such convenient public transportation, Seoul residents can travel quickly and easily to any part of the city. Moreover, Seoul's historical landmarks are also easily accessible by subway. For example, you can take Line 4 to Myeongdong Station to visit En Seoul Tower on Namsan Mountain. En Seoul Tower, one of Seoul's symbols, has been a landmark since the 1980s. Originally built as a TV broadcasting tower, it has since become a popular tourist destination, especially known as a romantic spot frequently visited by couples. If you take Line 4 from Myeongdong Station to Dongdaemun History and Culture Park Station, you can visit Dongdaemun Design Plaza DDP. Built in 2014, DDP is an innovative space with a futuristic design created by a world-famous architect, Zaha Hadid. DDP hosts various cultural events, such as fashion and design exhibitions. Located in the historic Dongdaemun area, it blends traditional markets with modern culture. From Dongdaemun History and Culture Park Station, you can travel on Subway Line 5 to Gwanghwamun Station. Gwanghwamun, which has stood since the Joseon dynasty, serves as the main gate of Gyeongbokgung Palace and is an iconic symbol of Seoul's history and culture. Positioned with Bukaksan Mountain to the north and facing the Han River to the south, it was built in an auspicious location according to traditional feng shui principles known as Baesan Imsu, mountains behind, water in front, symbolizing the success of the Joseon dynasty. Behind Gwanghwamun is Gyeongbokgung Palace, which was established in 1395 as the main palace of the Joseon dynasty. This palace served as the political and cultural center of the kingdom. Moreover, with the opening of the Incheon Airport Railroad, reaching Seoul from Incheon Airport has become much more convenient. As a result, Hongdae Station, where the railroad passes through, has taken on the role of a gateway to Seoul. This development has further energized Hongdae, a symbol of youth culture. Now, let's dive deeper into the history of Hongdae.